Okay guys, right now I'm making some scallop and shrimp. So right in this container I have my scallop. These are sea scallop. The other scallop are the bay one, the skinny one, the little tiny one. I'll say this is my sea scallop and shrimp. And I'm gonna just saute it real quick, you know, so you guys could see. My pot over there is boiling up. So I'm making some noodles for that. Oh, gotta drop these noodles in this one before. Gotta do the scallop. I'm dropping them in the pot right now. So I'm dropping the scallop first, because they take a little longer than the shrimp to cook. They'll take like 4 minutes and the shrimp is gonna take like 3 minutes. Now I add butter and garlic. It's butter and garlic inside there. I didn't mention that. I was, you know, burning the garlic with the butter. And I'm gonna drop some pepper in it soon. You know me and my pepper. I'll drop some pepper in it. So guys, I dropped my peppers in it. Those are like, they're bigger than the bird peppers. And now I'm dropping some basil for flavor. Oh my God. I'm just turning them before I drop the shrimp. I'm gonna use the other thing. This is another way to do the scallop. You know, you can put it on the grill too. Ooh, burn me. You can put it on the grill too, but for those who don't know, that's butter and garlic. And I'm just doing my own style as usual. And I had some seasoning to it, like, you know, you could add all-purpose. Any flavor seasoning you like, you just put it on it. And there's a salt. If you want salt. If not, I just think seafood should always have little salt. I don't care. Yeah, that's how I do it. So that's, now it's the basil. Smells so good. The butter, the garlic, and the pepper. These noodles, I'm gonna fry them up afterwards. Like I'm making like a lo mein. Maybe I'll do that. I'm not sure. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna add the shrimp. Add in my shrimp. Okay guys, so now I'm slicing up the scallions like this. You know, just get some scallion and slice it like that. And because I'm gonna add the noodles, so what I do is I add the scallions like this to that. Then I'm gonna add my noodles. See? This is my noodles. I know it's not a lot of noodles because I wasn't planning on putting the noodles in it, but we'll just do that. Not a lot of noodles. You can put more noodles if you want. It's like a lo mein. And then I'm gonna add my soy sauce. I'm gonna spin up everything into one. And nobody don't have to talk to you about Chinese food, because you can make it yourself. Only thing this one you're gonna get more shrimp. Okay, let's fry it up a little more. Some more heat under it. You know why the pressure. You see how the scallion them start shrink? Right. Once the scallion starts shrink like that, you know it's time to take this turn off the stove. And you could add more noodles in yours if you want. You can make noodles afterwards and just separate. Add it after you finish cooking this. It doesn't matter. Just add some soy sauce to your noodles and fry it up in another pot. And yeah, there you go. That's my shrimp and scallop lo mein. Shrimp and scallop lo mein. You must like, share, and subscribe.
They're heavily committed in the West.